We have all these.
And here we go.
Oh, jeez. Why is this bread so hard? Jesus. This bread's too hard.
What the heck? How do you guys even eat the fries? That was so much harder than I thought. I almost had you guys, but
That was delicious.
That was hard. I was not.
It
That
was
first
the bun.
initial bite, I was like, I was like, wait, what? I thought this was supposed to be so good. I was like, fuck, dude. That was good.
That was good.
That was good. God, really hard.
I'm catching my
Dude.
breath now. Holy shit.
Halfway, you made me laugh and I snorted fly up my nose. And I was like, I need to get past this.